Good morning to the student of others institution. How are you all? Today the subject of reading and learning is narration. Narration means speaker who speak anything is called narration. Two kinds of narration. Number one, direct narration, or number two, indirect narration. Direct narration, two parts of direct narration. Part 1, reporting verb. Part 2, reported speech. Two parts of direct narration. Part 1, reporting verb, or Part 2, reported speech. Reporting verb meaning reporting verb is the statement of the person who reports and about some things. Can you say every student? Every student which part is reporting verb of this example? This part is reporting verb. This part is reporting verb. Because the person who reports about some things, do you understand? Other part, reported speech, is the statement what is being reporting by a speaker. Student, can you say which part is reported speech? This part is reported speech. This part is reported speech. If we sense the indirect narration, we should follow 7 steps. First step, change which part is reporting verb or reported speech, or which sentence is reported speech, and we can use reporting verb of the reporting verb to the beginning of the sentence. The subject of reporting verb is the teacher. So we can use the teacher. We can follow a statement. Identify the sentence. In briefly. Subject plus verb plus object plus full stop. That's mean we can say assertive sentence. Use question mark. At the ending of the at the ending of the sentence. That means we can say interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. May verb plus object plus full stop, let plus subject or subject, objective form of subject plus present form of verb plus object. That means imperative sentence. That means we can imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. May plus subject plus verb plus object. That means we can say optative sentence. Optative sentence. Use exclamation mark. Use exclamation mark at the beginning of the sentence. That means we can say exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Everybody identify the sentence. Secondly, we follow 7 steps to change indirect narration from direct narration. Number 1 or step 1. Which part is reporting verb or reported speech or reported speech? Which sentence is reported speech? Which sentence is reported speech? Student, can you say of this example reported speech, which sentence is reported speech? That at the ending of the sentence use question mark. That means interrogative sentence. That means interrogative sentence. Step 2. Step 2. Change set to. Change set to of reporting verb. Change set to of reporting verb. If reported speech is assertive sentence, reported speech is assertive sentence, and object of reporting verb, we can, instead of set to, we can say told. We can say instead of told. If interrogative sentence, if reported speech is interrogative sentence, instead of said to, asked, we can use asked. We can use asked. If reported speech is imperative sentence, instead of said to, we can use order, request, advice, etc. If reported speech is optative sentence, instead of said to, we can say which or prey. Wish of prey. Wish of prey. If reported speech is exclamatory sentence, instead of said to, we can use exclaim with joy, exclaim with sorrow, exclaim with wonder. Student, can you say which word instead of said to we can use of this example? We can use of this example. We can use of this example. Stay said to and reported speech is interrogative sentence, so we can use instead of said to asked. Instead of said to asked. Do you understand? We follow third step. Use connection. Use connection for use conjunction for between reporting verb or reported speech. Reporting verb or reported speech, such as that, to, if, or WH word. If reported speech is assertive sentence, as conjunction we can use that. If reported speech is interrogative sentence, as conjunction we can use if or WH word. If reported speech is imperative sentence, as conjunction we can use to. If reported speech is optative sentence, as conjunction we can use that. If reported speech is exclamatory sentence, we as conjunction we can use that. Student, can you say which conjunction we can use of this example? We can use of this example. Asked the student. Can you say, every student, which conjunction we can use of this example? We can use if, because interrogative sentence is according to tag question, so we can use if imperative reported speech is WH question, according WH question, we can use conjunction WH word. If reported speech is imperative sentence, as conjunction we can use to. If reported speech is optative sentence, reported speech is optative sentence, as conjunction we can use that. If reported speech is exclamatory sentence, as conjunction we can use that. Student, can you say which conjunction we can use of this example? Este reported speech is according to tag question, so we can use if. Do you understand? We shall follow step 4. Step 4. Subject of reported speech. Say subject of reported speech. If the subject of reported speech is I or we can use subject of reporting instead of subject of reporting verb. The subject of reporting verb, that's mean the teacher, so we can use instead of teacher he. Can you? We shall follow step 5. The tense of reported speech. If reported speech stay present indefinite tense will be changed past indefinite tense will be stay present continuous tense will be changed past continuous tense. Stay present perfect tense will be changed past perfect tense. Stay present perfect continuous tense will be changed past perfect continuous tense. Student, can you say which tense can use of this example? So reported speech is interrogative, reported speech is past present perfect tense, so we can use past perfect. So we can use past perfect. Structure of past perfect, subject plus had plus past participle form of verb, plus object, that we can use of this example. Stay have, we can use heard, past participle form of verb, stay past participle form of verb, so we can use past participle form of verb prepared. We shall follow step 6. Change personal object or possessive form. We can change same to step 4. Student, can you say which possessive form will be sense of this example? Stay, your will be sense object of reporting verb. Object of reporting verb. The object of reporting verb is stay, the student. The will be possessive form his. Will be possessive form his. Do you understand, everybody? We shall follow 7 steps. Say some word of reported speech. Of reported speech. Student, can you say which word will be sense of this example of reported speech? Today it will be sense. If stay, this will be sense that. If stay, today will be sense that they. If stay, tomorrow will be says the following day. The following day. If stay, yesterday will be says the previous day. Previous day. Can you say, every student, which word we will be says of this example? Today. Stay, today will be that day. Stay, today will be. Stay, today will be that. Stay, today will be that day. If any student stay any question for these topics, I will solve next class. Thank every student from Dilip sir, Chorchanda High School, Sipchor, Madaripur. Thanks everybody.